Here's a couple of example effects on the icicles. This is an RGB dripping effect. And then we also have text scrolling running as well. These are just a couple of examples of the type of thing that can be done with the icicles. And the globes are just kind of cycling through, doing a color wheel effect. So these are the same icicles from past years. They just have a facelift. They have a foam cover to make it look more like ice. And then they have a coro wavy top to look more like snow buildup. See if I can get a better view from back here.